Yep, Shannon.
Hey, Dad. A YouTube video. Woo! But it's been like a year since we did this, right? Right? Yeah, cool. I'm excited because you guys asked for it. We haven't done this in a while. And unfortunately, we're not able to be here with you on Saturday. I know you guys are really pushing forward with this challenge, and we're so excited for you. So I definitely didn't want you to miss a workout this Saturday. So what we have for you today is core. I'm going to engage all those muscles, and I will find a way for you to be accountable for this workout. Shannon's coming up with some nifty ideas, so stay tuned. So we have a great workout for them today, right?
Yeah, we do. I'm excited.
Shannon's excited. She's already done it twice. So third time's a charm for everybody. But we have some great things going on this morning, or this afternoon, whatever time of day it is for you guys. What we're going to do, we're going to start with core standing up. So we're going to engage all core muscles, not just your abdominals, lower back, all that stuff. So what we're going to start off with is a roundhouse squat kick. Shannon, if you can demonstrate that for them.
You're getting the squat.
Or not.
Or not.
You know, if any of you guys who watched these videos last year, Shannon makes up her own stuff, so it's kind of funny, but it's good.
Prepping.
So, roundhouse squat kick. We're going to swing that leg. We did a little bit of this last week, so we're going to swing that leg from inside out and do roundhouse with squat. Roundhouse with squat. Keep going. 20 seconds. You're going to go 20 seconds. Got to get a timer, of course. And then you're going to rest for 10 seconds. Then you're going to do 20 seconds. Each exercise we're giving you today, you're going to do 3 rounds of each exercise. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, okay? Next after that, you're going to go marching soldiers, okay? We want to stay nice and firm with this, okay? What we're going to do is alternate legs. Shannon, go for it. Good. What she's doing with this, every time the leg goes up, you're contracting your abdominal muscles. So you want to hold those muscles as tight as you can. Squeeze when the leg goes up. Squeeze. Try to stay very straight. We don't want to be rounded when you're doing that. Staying nice and straight. Again, 20 seconds, 10-second rest, 3 rounds. Next exercise is going to be a knee up twist. You got this, Shannon?
I got this.
Nice. 10 seconds. Doing the knee up part, but she forgot to twist.
Dang it,
Shannon. Anyway, so twist, right? We're going to start here. Knee goes up, body twist. So you're going to bring your elbow to your knee. As hard, as fast as you can, squeezing right here. Squeezing it, Shannon? Squeeze nice. 10 seconds on that side. Switch it over. We're going to do 10 seconds on this side. Same thing. Elbow to knee. Bring that leg back. Elbow to knee. Back. Elbow to knee. Good. 20 seconds. 10 seconds each side. 10-second rest. Now we're going to get down on the floor for the next 3. We're going to start with some Supermans with a rollover reverse. We're down on the ground. Hands come out. We're proning. She's going to hold that there for a couple seconds, and then she's going to roll to her right. She's going to create a slight V up here. Hold that for a couple seconds. She's going to roll right back. Got your timer? 20 seconds. Repeat this for 20 seconds. 10-second rest. 3 repetitions. Or 3 sets, I'm sorry. Good. See right here, she's squeezing her hamstring muscle, her glute muscle. She's working all lower back muscles as well. Then when she flips around, so we're gonna quadricep muscles. Oh, she's got nice tight ones. Good. All right, come on up, Shannon. Oh, actually, never mind. I'm sorry. Stay down there. No, that's right. On the floor. Second half is on the floor. Sorry to sweat. Woo. Tell me about it. So next we're gonna go with bicycles, all right, everybody? These are pretty simple, everybody knows these. So modification for balance, we're gonna have our hands behind us with our fingers pointing towards us. Feet in the air, keep those feet flexed, not pointed, and you're gonna bicycle as fast as you can, right? 10 seconds. Then we're gonna reverse for 10 seconds. Yeah, we're in sync. And then you're gonna rest for 10 seconds. Repeat 2 more times, right? Last exercise is an X-Men crunch. Now these don't have to be pretty. You just have to get them done. Mine don't look very pretty. That's all right, she gets it done. So what you're gonna do, I don't know if you guys can see this, but she's basically putting herself in an X form. Feet are out, arms are out. Now she's gonna bring them together as best as she can. Okay? Awesome. If you can only go so far up with your legs, just go a little bit up for me, Shannon. Good. Do what you can. Can you come up higher? Let's try it. Go for it. Yeah, see? It wasn't pretty, but she did it. It's all about what you can do, right, guys? Modification. So it's you against you. It's not you against us, or it's not you against even maybe you got an accountability partner over there. So you're just going to keep going with that. X-Men crunches. Okay? I think these are all pretty much easy. Just remember, keeping your abs tight throughout the workout. Bring your legs up only as far as you can, like when we're doing those soldiers. If you can't get your leg up as high as this, you can. If it's low, it's low, but you're contracting those abdominal muscles is the key point. All right, so that was the main workout. You know what? What would a core workout be without a plank? Dude, really? So, I hope you guys have been engaged in that maximized living barometer workout, because bonus round for this workout is going to be how long can you hold a plank. Don't cheat yourself. Get that timer right in front of you. Just when you think you're done, you should try to hold it for a couple more seconds, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
What do you got, Shannon?
You know, I'm not sure. We can try it.
All right, so Shannon and I are going to do a plank.
No, sorry. We're not going to try it.
We're going to do it. Oh, I like it.
That's why I love her.
So when we shut this down, Shannon and I are going to do our plank challenge, and we're going to post it up there so you guys can see what we did. All right, you guys, have an awesome workout. I can't wait to hear your results when I get back from the weekend.
Nice. Keep up the good work, everybody.